everyone. Welcome back in my channel. So, today we are going to discuss about the career scope of fashion communication. There are the several institute who are giving the degree in the field of fashion communication, and students are, choosing the more specialized course these days. They are more involved in the specialized based course. So today we are going to discuss about the career opportunity after that. So we are focusing on the fashion communication only. There are the several institutes who are providing the bachelor and master degree in the fashion communication. So let's talk about the career opportunity directly. So there are the several career opportunities such as a visual merchandiser, brand manager, visual communication expert, graphic designer, fashion photographer, public relation firms, as well as the fashion journalist. But what exactly it is and what are the job role after this thing. So is initially just start about the visual merchandiser. So visual merchandiser is the one of category of the visual merchandising or the merchandising. There are the several type of the merchandising, but one of them is visual merchandiser. So visual merchandiser are a person who, or maybe a job responsibility of to design related of the layout of any store. It might be online or offline store, but yes, overall presentation of the window display or the interior and exterior design of the any of store is called as a visual merchandising. But definitely the job role will be to increase the aesthetic appeal, as well as to layout to management, the space management, to design the planogram accordingly. We have to follow the last years of the trend what we are already using in the brand, and we have to forecast our trend for the future for the that particular brand or maybe the any of label. So that is basically about it. Next is a brand manager. Brand manager is all about the collection. Brand manager, they have to design or maybe the assort the collection, as well as they have to work upon the all management related to brand. It might be the brand promotion, advertisement, media planning, content, anything. But yes, definitely about the store or brand management. Next, we are talking about the fashion communication expert. Fashion communication expert is completely related to multiple coursework comes under this umbrella. But yes, definitely it is totally up to your work assignments, like whatever you are getting it. It might be the content writer, it might be the digital design, it might be the graphical design, it might be the visual or window display, or maybe the exhibition design, anything. Next is about the graphic designer. Now, how the graphic designer are different from the fashion designer. Graphic designer is basically work on the different graphics, as well as the different kind of work which comes of the brand stationery. It might be their envelope, it might be their stationery design, or maybe the ad campaign design, or maybe any invitee or logo or anything which is related to the particular brand. So that is all comes under the graphic. But yes, I'm clearly saying here, like they work on the pictures and graphics. Next is about the fashion photographer. Now the fashion photographer is all about who do the professional photography. Now the photography is a art. Photography can be done by the DSLR, can be done by the any of mobile cameras. If you are having a good camera in your mobile phones and you are a pro in that, you know how you can use that features, how you can use you can how you can manage the ISO, aperture, and the angle, or maybe the proportion of the picture, or maybe anything. So that is related to fashion photographer. Professionally, location, background, model, everything have to part of it. Next is the public relation firm. Public relation firm is another opportunity of the fashion communication. So that is basically to generate the PR, to generate the relation between the all people. It might be the fashion influencer or maybe any influencer. So that creates your relation, good relationship bond with into the market. Next is a journalist. Journalist is basically fashion journalist is all about the where we are just writing the article, publications work, as well as to add media campaigns. So anything which we are adding in that, so that is another opportunity opportunity of the fashion communication. So next is a fashion blogger. Fashion blogger is just like an influencer who are influencing the people, who are giving the who are telling the opportunities in that particular field, who are advertising the anything and advertise any of product like a celebrities. So that is again influence, like people influenced by any of consumer can be influenced by any of fashion blogger or maybe influencer. Next is a social media manager. Social media manager is all about the e-marketing or the e-content writing which is running on the internet, right? Social media these days, for example, these days Instagram is very much popular. Now the people are making reels, they are uploading so many content, they are making the IGTV shows, they are talking with brand collaboration, they are talking about they are advertising the brand startup existing anything from their home or maybe from their any location. So social media is again a booming sector of this particular field. Next is about the celebrity stylist. People go to the stylist, and but yes, styling have again a great opportunity. People are also doing the specialized master in the fashion styling. So celebrity stylist is basically they are designing their wardrobe, they're designing according to the market, according to their personality, according to their future benefits. So they also design, they also work on their clothes style, accessorize, makeup, location, collaboration, many of things. So next is the fashion consultant. Last one is fashion consultant. So fashion consultant is basically a advisor. So they also tell about to advise or consult to anyone who are keen to design themselves, who are keen to their design their wardrobe. So they are basically helping to the people. It might be on to arrangement, it might be on to a variability thing, it might be on to develop the personality, anything in which the people need help. So these are the different career opportunities after the fashion communication, such as journalist, such as fashion blogger, social media manager, photographer, celebrity stylist, graphic designer, public relation, as well as the fashion consultant. So these are the great opportunity after doing of this course. Thank you so much. See you soon.